How to improve your credit in 10 steps. Credit is more than just a plastic card you use to buy things. It's your financial trustworthiness, and there are steps you can take to improve it as well as protect your identity and personal information. Step 1 is simple. Know what your credit is. There are several ways to check your credit score. In fact, many credit issuers offer free credit checks. Bad credit history can haunt you for a long time, 7 years or more. That's why the best thing to do is learn how to maintain good credit before there's a problem. Once you know what your credit is, the second step is to understand what it means. Most creditors use credit scoring to evaluate your credit record and to determine whether or not you are a good risk to repay a loan or make timely payments. This involves reviewing information such as your annual income, outstanding debt, bill paying history, and the number and types of accounts you have and how long you've had them. The third step is to read the fine print of your current card or any you're applying for. Know the APR and whether it has a time limit, any grace periods, annual fees, transaction fees, or other charges. The fourth step is to improve your credit record. Need help managing your debt? Try budgeting, credit counseling, or contacting your creditors to try to work out a plan that reduces your payments to a more manageable level. The fifth step is to keep your record clean. Good credit is important now and in the future. In most cases, it can take years for accurate negative information to be deleted from a credit report. Start slowly. Be cautious. Keep track of your overall debt and pay on time. Remember that credit represents real money and must be repaid with interest. The sixth step is to understand what creditors look for on credit reports. This can help you make financial decisions to improve your credit. For example, knowing that payment history is factored into credit scores, be sure to pay your bills on time every time. Step 7 is to obtain a copy of your credit report so you can ensure all is accurate. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires each credit reporting agency, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to provide you with a free copy of your credit report at your request once every 12 months. Step 8 is to keep your credit cards under control. A credit card can make buying things much easier, but it's important to keep track of your spending. Purchases add up, and when the bill comes, you have to pay what you owe or pay interest on unpaid balances. Owing more than you can afford to repay can damage your credit rating. Remember to manage your spending, make timely payments, maintain good records, and protect your card and its information. Step 9 is to protect your identity. Identity theft can lead to someone else using your information to create fraudulent accounts or charge items to your existing accounts. Since it's probably safe to assume they won't also pay the bills, this can severely impact your credit. Going along with protecting your identity, the 10th and final step is to guard your personal information. If your information is lost or stolen, there are steps you can take, ranging from filing a report with the police to canceling your credit cards. These are just a few of the things you can do to improve your credit. For more information, read our complete article at creditoncentral.com.